Amazon Must-Haves 2021. Must-Haves gaming keyboards on Amazon for 2021. Hey, are you ready to take your gaming passion to the next level? Maybe you will be a couch player or studio gamer. This is the video where you will get to know about some of outclass must-haves gaming keyboards on Amazon for 2021 that will help you in achieving a smooth victory. From simple to professional or minimal to technical, this video will cover all types of gaming keyboards, those you might have been looking for. You can get your favorite one from Amazon through the links given below in the description box. Before moving on, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, do it now. Also, don't forget to hit the bell icon for more updates. Let's get started. Red Dragon S101 Wired Gaming Keyboard. This unique gaming keyboard comes with the mouse combo for just $50.99. This can be used for multi-purpose gaming. You can attach it either to your PC, Xbox or PS4 for experiencing a smooth game. Its keys get illuminated by vibrant RGB lights. The radiant mouse that comes along with it has a red eye-catching backlight. It is a heavy mouse that comes with 5 programmable functioning keys, providing you with outstanding responsiveness during the whole gameplay when working together with this keyboard. Keychron K2 Wireless Bluetooth Gaming Keyboard. Well, that's the second version of Keychron gaming keyboard that comes in $94.99. Though it's an expensive keyboard, it gives you a premium feel with its professional look when placed on your desk. The best part is that it comes with command and option keys that can easily be pulled off and can be replaced by other window keys that come along with the keyboard in the box. So if you are a Windows user, you can easily switch your keyboard at your convenience. And changing keys is so simple and easy. It gives you a 4000 mAh battery that can last up to 72 hours, and it uses a Type-C charger. Lastly, this keyboard also comes with an inbuilt RGB backlight that gives you some playful time while enjoying your games. Razer Ornata Chroma Gaming Keyboard. This keyboard is available on Amazon for $49.95. It is one of the top-selling gaming keyboards out there. It comes with a soft cushion attached at the bottom of the keyboard, providing the player with the best, relaxing place for enjoying the games to their fullest. It also provides you hybrid mechanical key switches, and multicolor RGB backlights give a pleasing atmosphere during the whole gameplay. Now, it depends on what color you would love to be backlit on your keyboard. You can either set a simple black shade or just apply multicolor RGB lights that will keep on changing and will constantly make you feel as if you are in a gaming studio. Logitech G513 Carbon Light Sync Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. G513 mechanical keyboard gives you plenty of advantages that include the RGB backlights, solid aluminium finishing, USB port technology, and comfortable cushion bottom for your wrist. This keyboard gives your desktops an aesthetic vibe with its premium looks. All its keys are of unique design in that it lets you control fully right at your fingertips. You can experience relaxing games on this G513 just by getting yours at Amazon for $129.17. NPET K10 USB Wired Floating Keyboard. NPET backlit gaming keyboard is well known for its K10 LED membrane gaming keyboard. It is featured with multimedia keys starting from F1 to F12 and 19 traditional keys. It gives a solid feel with a combination of plastic and stainless steel body. It has the UV carved letters on it that will never fade off. It also lets you adjust the keyboard backlights by using the function keys. It's a comfortable keyboard that can be your friend not only in games but in your office as well. EpoMaker Skylung Mechanical Keyboard. EpoMaker brings a hard classical keyboard for the players, providing them with the features of hot, swappable optical switches. It has a unique water and dust-resistant design. Over 16.8 million RGB backlights are featured in it, which you can enjoy fully by downloading them. All the keycaps have dyed simulation carved letters on them that is more durable because of their oil-resistant specifications. It gives you command over the 3 layers of function keys that you can easily customize. KLIM Chroma Gaming Keyboard. It is another most widely used gaming keyboard by KLIM Chroma. It has a range of 1.5 meter. It also provides you with various port options that let you play by plugging in. The vibrant RGB backlights lets you see the key symbols even in your darkest hours. It resists 20 million keystrokes. Its silent clicking features lets you play games in a very peaceful environment. This unique build-up is so durable that it can last longer. Moreover, this is a water-resistant keyboard, so can be welcomed in rough gamings. It has a light body that lets you easily carry it from place to place. It is also available in multiple layouts, so get the one that best fits your desktops. Gaming keyboard, have it, Rainbow LED backlit keyboard. This keyboard comes with all the traditional keys along with the advanced social media keys, providing you the feasibility of using social media at your one-click-away command. You can get this rainbow backlit keyboard with an iconic mouse that blinks 7 colors lights out of it. A $42.45 keyboard becomes an excellent value for money when it lights up your desktop with a touch of elegance. Razer Huntsman Elite Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. Here is another brilliant piece of gaming keyboard introduced by Razer Huntsman. It provides actuation at the speed of light. It's a $217.97 keyboard. Now, what makes it so costly is its high responsive rate that uses optical technology to deliver the commands in no time. It can be used for multi-functions, allowing you to feel the action and resetting ability of keys at the same time. From its RGB backlights to the wrist comfort cushion, all features of this keyboard are worth its price. That's all for today's video. Let us know in the comments below which one would you prefer. See you in the next video. Up till then, stay tuned.